First thing I need to do is pull the wheel off. 1/2-inch socket for that. And remove this pinion gear. Just gotta take this small snap ring off here. The gear off, and there's a little plastic washer you can take off. You gotta take out this screw for the flap. Phillips head. And there's 3 bolts holding this on. You also have to take this handle bolt. Knob. 3 1/2-inch nuts and bolts you gotta take off. Next you need to disassemble this bracketry. They really put this on tight. So here's what that gear looks like on the inside of the wheel after you take it apart. Here's the pinion gear that goes with it. So you can see that most of the teeth on this plastic gear are still good. I mean, this one's pretty much totally there. But once you get around over here, the top is knocked off, and that's where it's skipping. So problem is that the center line between these 2 gears is too far apart, right? They should be meshing way down in here, and they're not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shorten up the center to center distance. So what I've done is take a Sharpie marker, draw a line between the center lines of these 2 holes, center punched right here, and then 2 center punches over on this side here, and set these dividers up the distance between the closest 2. And what I'm going to do is going to slot this bracket and then close it up in the vise until these 2 holes line up, and that way I'll know I moved the center lines together the distance between these 2 center punch marks, which is probably 3/32 of an inch or so. So here I've marked this part with where I'm going to cut it in order to bend the holes closer together, right along that line there. Next you want to grind away some of that material so you got room for your weld, because the plate's got to be flat on both sides after you get done welding. Then we'll weld both sides. I'll grind the sides flat. Now take and reassemble all this. Make sure that this tab lines up with that slot there. Slide that on the shaft. Make sure that flap shaft goes through that hole down there. Put in the Phillips head screw. Pull the shaft through a little bit. Those bolts started. don't forget the one that's behind here. Carriage bolt. It's got a, this is one special, it's a 1/4 thread with a 1/2 inch head. Normally they're 7/16. It's nice, you can use the same wrench. Tighten it up with the box wrench. Obviously make sure it's in the groove. Put the wheel together. Make sure this plastic part lines up with this flat back here. There you go. Let's repeat that for the other side. Should be all set. Thanks for watching.